Master's Hand Pumpkin Promotion Take 1. Hi everybody, I am Master's Hand's Pumpkin Promoter. I bet you didn't know we had one of those, but we do. But my thunder gets stolen every year by Christmas, and this year I've had it. So I thought that I'd come on and tell you guys all of the great pumpkin and fall products we have that I am very excited about. First up, we have a pumpkin spice latte. Ice cold with pumpkin creamer. Oh, it's fall in a cup. It's beautiful. You'll have to come down and try some. Next up, you can even drink your pumpkin spice latte in your very own hand-painted pumpkin mug. Beautiful. It works great. Then we make our very own homemade pumpkin nut fudge. Decadent, delicious, very pumpkin and fall oriented. You'll have to come down and try that one as well. We even have pumpkin spice melts. Your whole home can smell like fall. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I don't care what anyone else says. We even have signs to hang up celebrating fall. Happy Halloween. And you can even make your very own pumpkin cheese ball for all of your guests that you'll be having over this season. So I just wanted to come on and say, don't skip too far ahead to Christmas. Come celebrate pumpkins and fall and everything autumn with us at Master's Hand.